Hi, are you tired of committing fashion crimes without even knowing it? Well, fear no more, because today we're diving into a style rescue mission. Get ready as we uncover the top 10 fashion faux pas that you absolutely need to avoid. It's time to elevate your style game and ensure you're always making a lasting impression for all the right reasons. In today's video, we're tackling a topic that can make or break your style reputation: fashion faux pas. We all know that our sense of style is a powerful tool for self-expression, boosting confidence, and leaving a lasting impression. But even the most fashion-forward individuals can sometimes fall victim to some common style mistakes. That's why it's crucial to be aware of these pitfalls and learn how to avoid them. By steering clear of these fashion faux pas, you'll be well on your way to perfecting your personal style and making a positive impact with your outfits. So, let's jump right in and discover the top 10 fashion faux pas, along with practical tips on how to fix them. Get ready to take your style to the next level. Mistake 1: wearing ill-fitting clothing. Let's start off by addressing one of the most common fashion mistakes: wearing ill-fitting clothing. We've all been guilty of this at some point, but the consequences can be significant. Ill-fitting clothes can instantly downgrade your style, making you appear sloppy and less put together. They can also distort your body proportions and hinder your confidence. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some helpful tips to ensure you always rock the perfect fit. First, it's essential to understand your body shape and measurements. Take the time to measure yourself accurately and refer to size charts when shopping. Secondly, pay attention to key fit areas like shoulders, chest, waist, and hips. Remember, clothes should skim your body without being too tight or overly loose. And if you already own ill-fitting pieces, consider taking them to a tailor who can make adjustments to achieve a more flattering fit. Trust me, once you embrace properly fitting clothes, your style game will reach new heights. Mistake 2: overdoing accessories. Let's dive into a fashion faux pas that can easily turn your outfit from fabulous to a fashion disaster: overdoing accessories. While accessories are meant to enhance your style, going overboard can lead to a cluttered and overwhelming look. The key is to strike a balance and create a cohesive accessory ensemble. One of the pitfalls of excessive accessories is that they can distract from your overall outfit and even compete with each other for attention. To avoid this, consider the concept of less is more. Choose a focal point for your accessories, such as a statement necklace or a bold pair of earrings, and let them take center stage. Then, keep the rest of your accessories minimal to maintain a sense of harmony. Additionally, consider the occasion and the overall style you're aiming for. If you're going for a casual look, opt for simpler and understated accessories. On the other hand, for a special event, you can be a bit bolder with your choices. Remember, accessories should complement your outfit, not overpower it. By finding the right balance, you'll create a polished and sophisticated look that truly showcases your personal style. Mistake 3: clashing colors and prints. Let's talk about a fashion faux pas that can leave your outfit looking chaotic and disjointed: clashing colors and prints. When it comes to creating a visually appealing look, understanding how colors and prints work together is crucial. Clashing colors can create a jarring effect, drawing attention away from your overall style. Similarly, mismatched prints can result in a busy and overwhelming appearance. But fear not, because there are ways to coordinate colors and mix prints harmoniously. First, consider the color wheel and opt for complementary or analogous colors that work well together. This will ensure a cohesive and balanced color palette. When it comes to mixing prints, start by selecting one dominant print and complement it with a smaller or subtler print. You can also experiment with pairing prints that share a similar color scheme or theme. And if you're new to mixing prints, begin with smaller accessories or subtle patterns to ease into it. Remember, confidence is key when it comes to embracing bold colors and prints. By understanding color theory and experimenting with print combinations, you'll be able to create stunning, fashion-forward outfits that are sure to turn heads. Mistake 4: ignoring occasion or dress code. Let's address a fashion mistake that can leave you feeling out of place in underdress, ignoring the occasion or dress code. Dressing appropriately for different occasions is not just about looking stylish, it's about showing respect for the event and the people involved. Whether it's a formal gala, a business meeting, or a casual outing with friends, understanding and adhering to the dress code is crucial. Dressing inappropriately can make you feel uncomfortable and give off the wrong impression. For formal events, such as weddings or black tie affairs, opt for elegant and sophisticated attire, such as a tailored suit or a formal gown. In professional settings, adhere to the dress code by choosing polished and business-appropriate outfits, like a blazer with dress pants or a tailored dress. On more casual occasions, you have more freedom to express your personal style while still being mindful of the atmosphere. For example, opt for smart casual attire, like a pair of well-fitted jeans paired with a stylish blouse or a button-down shirt. Remember, when in doubt, it's always better to be slightly overdressed than underdressed. By dressing appropriately for different occasions and dress codes, you'll ensure that you're not only stylish but also respectful of the event and the people around you. Mistake 5. Poorly coordinated outfits. Let's dive into a fashion faux pas that can leave your outfit looking disjointed and unpolished. Poorly coordinated outfits. Outfit coordination plays a significant role in creating a cohesive and visually appealing look. When your pieces clash or don't complement each other, it can distract from your overall style. The key is to create harmony through color coordination, pattern pairing, and overall outfit cohesion. When it comes to color coordination, consider using the color wheel to identify complementary or analogous colors that work well together. Opt for a balanced color palette that enhances your features and creates a pleasing visual impact. Similarly, when mixing patterns, start by selecting one statement piece and pairing it with a smaller, more subtle pattern. You can also use neutral colors as a base to ground your outfit and allow the patterns to shine. Don't be afraid to experiment, but ensure there's a sense of balance and cohesiveness in your choices. Finally, consider the overall outfit cohesion by paying attention to the style, silhouette, and theme. Ensure that each piece works together to create a unified and polished look. By mastering the art of outfit coordination, you'll be able to create stunning ensembles that showcase your impeccable style and attention to detail. Mistake 6. Neglecting proper undergarments. Let's address a fashion mistake that is often overlooked but can have a significant impact on your overall look: neglecting proper undergarments. Undergarments are the foundation of any outfit, and wearing the wrong ones can undermine the fit and appearance of your clothing. Ill-fitting bras, visible panty lines, or sagging underwear can instantly downgrade even the most stylish ensemble. Proper undergarments not only provide comfort and support but also create a smooth and flattering silhouette. When selecting undergarments, consider the specific outfit you plan to wear and your body type. Invest in well-fitting bras that provide the right support and lift, ensuring your clothes drape properly. Seamless panties or thongs can help eliminate visible panty lines, especially when wearing fitted garments. For body-hugging outfits, shapewear can be a game changer, helping to smooth and enhance your natural curves. Additionally, remember to choose undergarments in neutral colors that match your skin tone, as they are less likely to show through your clothing. By giving proper attention to your undergarments, you'll not only improve the fit and appearance of your outfits but also boost your confidence, knowing that you have a solid foundation for any ensemble. Mistake 7. Failing to update your wardrobe. Let's address a fashion faux pas that can hinder your style evolution: failing to update your wardrobe. Holding on to outdated or worn-out clothing can limit your style potential and make you appear stagnant. Fashion trends and personal tastes evolve over time, and it's important to keep up with them to stay current and confident in your style. Outdated clothing can give off a frumpy or uninspired vibe, whereas worn-out garments can appear sloppy and detract from your overall look. So, how can you refresh your wardrobe and build a versatile collection? Start by decluttering your closet and removing items that no longer serve you. Make room for new pieces that reflect your current style and fit your body shape. Stay up to date with fashion trends by following fashion blogs, magazines, or influencers who inspire you. However, it's important to remember that not all trends may suit your personal style, so choose wisely and incorporate trends selectively. Invest in key wardrobe essentials that are timeless and versatile, such as a well-fitted blazer, a little black dress, or quality denim. Don't be afraid to experiment with new styles and silhouettes to discover what works for you. And lastly, consider donating or selling your gently used clothing to give them a new life while making space for fresh additions. By updating your wardrobe, you'll elevate your style game and feel confident in the outfits you put together. Mistake 8. Disregarding body proportions. Let's discuss a fashion mistake that can affect the overall balance and flattery of your outfits: disregarding body proportions. Understanding and considering your body proportions when selecting clothing is essential for achieving a polished and harmonious look. Each of us has unique body proportions, and the goal is to enhance or balance them through strategic clothing choices. Disregarding body proportions can result in outfits that either drown your figure or emphasize areas in a less flattering way. The key is to create optical illusions that create balance. For instance, if you have a shorter torso, you can elongate it by opting for high-waisted bottoms or wearing monochromatic outfits. If you have broader shoulders, you can balance them by choosing tops with V-necks or adding volume to the lower half of your body with flared skirts or wide-leg pants. It's also important to remember that clothing proportions, such as sleeve length, pant length, and dress hemlines, should be appropriate for your height and body type. By understanding and embracing your unique body proportions, you can make informed clothing choices that enhance your best features and create a visually pleasing silhouette. So, next time you're putting together an outfit, consider your body proportions and dress to flatter your unique shape. Mistake 9. Neglecting grooming and personal care. Let's address a fashion mistake that often goes hand in hand with style: neglecting grooming and personal care. Your overall style isn't just about the clothes you wear, it's also about how you present yourself. Poor grooming and personal care can significantly impact your overall style and leave you looking less polished and put together. It's important to pay attention to details such as hair, skincare, and overall hygiene. Your hair should be well maintained and styled in a way that complements your face shape and personal style. Skincare is another crucial aspect, as a healthy and glowing complexion can enhance your overall appearance. Develop a skincare routine that includes cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from the sun. Additionally, pay attention to your nails, ensuring they are clean and well groomed. Regular grooming habits, such as shaving, trimming facial hair, and maintaining a neat appearance, are also important. Don't forget about oral hygiene and the impact it has on your overall presentation. Brush and floss your teeth regularly and consider whitening treatments if needed. By establishing and maintaining good grooming habits and personal care routines, you'll elevate your style and exude confidence, showcasing your attention to detail and overall well-being. Mistake 10. Following trends blindly. Let's delve into a fashion mistake that can hinder your ability to express your unique style: following trends blindly. While keeping up with the latest trends can be exciting and inspiring, blindly adopting every trend without consideration can lead to a lack of individuality and personal expression. The potential pitfall of blindly following trends is that you may end up wearing clothing that doesn't truly resonate with your personal style or flatter your body type. Instead, I encourage you to develop your own sense of style, one that reflects your personality, preferences, and values. Personal style is about finding the pieces that make you feel confident and authentic. It's perfectly fine to incorporate trends, but do so selectively and in a way that aligns with your unique aesthetic. Choose trends that resonate with you and experiment with incorporating them into your existing wardrobe. Remember, fashion is a form of self-expression, and by developing your personal style, you'll create a timeless and effortlessly chic look that sets you apart from the crowd. So, embrace your individuality, be mindful of trends, and curate a wardrobe that truly reflects who you are. In conclusion, we've explored 10 common fashion mistakes and how to avoid them, empowering you to enhance your personal style. We've discussed the significance of wearing well-fitted clothing, avoiding excessive accessories, coordinating colors and prints, dressing appropriately for different occasions, coordinating outfits, selecting proper undergarments, updating your wardrobe, considering body proportions, maintaining grooming and personal care, and not blindly following every trend. By being aware of these pitfalls and implementing the suggested tips, you can elevate your style game and feel confident in your fashion choices. Remember, fashion is a powerful form of self-expression, and it's essential to embrace your individuality and showcase your unique style. Don't be afraid to experiment, take risks, and let your personality shine through your outfits. Thank you all for watching today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips, inspiration, and style advice. Stay fashionable, stay true to yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.